Alright guys, hello! We are going to be working on making a very small pillow as just a small little sewing assignment, which is really easy. It's just basically taking two squares or rectangles of fabric and then sewing them together and stuffing the inside and creating a tiny little pillow, which we can use as a pincushion. So we're going to use some fabric, obviously. Now with fabric, we have a right side and a wrong side. We have the pretty side and just the other side that's not as cute. So the pretty side is known as the right side, and the side we'll just call it the wrong side. Now I've measured out two little rectangles, 5 inches by 6 inches, and all I did was I used a ruler and then a pencil to draw. I did it on the ugly side, not on the pretty side, okay? I want to preserve the pretty side. And what we'll do now is just simply take our scissors and do your best to carefully cut out your rectangles. Oops, off camera. Here we go. This one. There we go. And the other. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how to pin these together. Okay, so you're going to have to think in the future what you're trying to make. We're trying to make a pillow with this really cute fabric, and we want the outside of the pillow to have this cute fabric. So that means we have to do our work on the wrong side of the fabric, the ugly side, okay? Basically, we're going to sew along these edges and then flip this thing inside out, stuff it, and then just finish off sewing the last little corner. So what I'm going to do right now is just show you how to pin this correctly now. So you have to think about how you're going to feed this into your sewing machine. So with that, we want to create some flow with our pins, okay? I don't want you pinning these two pieces of cloth together in every which way in every direction. You want the pins to be consistent, and it'll make sense a little later on. So I'm just going to use, don't need that many pins really. Do 2 right here just to be safe. We're leaving enough edge so that we can put this under the foot of our sewing machine. All right, so I got these. I'm going to turn the corner. We're basically going from like ball to tip of the pin. Okay, maybe this side I'll just use 1. Okay, turn the corner again. Gonna go left now. And this will make sense in the next video when I'm showing you how to sew this in the sewing machine, okay? So I'm never putting 2 pins next to each other like that, like tip to tip. We're going from the ball to the point, the ball to the point. All right, now stay tuned for the next video.